And again, me and Ayo. Me and Ayo. Hi, I'm Akila, and this is
Ayo!
and welcome to
Tagalog
For
Kids! Wow!
Today we're gonna talk about me and Ayo. Me and Ayo are siblings or magkapatid. Magkapatid. Sibling is kapatid. Kapatid. Ayo is my brother and I'm his sister. There's no direct Tagalog word for brother or sister. We just say kapatid na lalaki for brother, which literally means sibling that's a boy. And for sister, we say kapatid na babae. But in Tagalog, we just say kapatid. Kapatid, kapatid. So again, me and Ayo are magkapatid. Magkapatid.
Magkapatid.
We have a name for older siblings. I am the older sister, so Ayo calls me ate. And this is Tracy. If he was the youngest sibling, he would call Ayo kuya. So, ate, kuya. Kuya, ate. And Tracy would be the youngest and he would be called bunso. Bunso. So that's all for today, but before we go, we have merch!
Merch.
Link is down below. If you buy them and rock them out, make sure to tag us or use a hashtag and we might feature you in a video. Use the hashtag Tagalog for Kids Club.
Wait!
Alright, that's all for today. See you in our next
Video!
Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
bye and hit that notifications bell so you'll be the first to see our videos. Bye. Ow.
Ayo out. And Tracy.